welcome back to Tams Kitchen. Today we're going to do a Valentine special, but not a romantic one like you would think. I've got a butler.
You called?
He's my Jeeves for the day, and we're going to do a girls' Valentine dinner. So it's going to be so much fun. We're going to have stuffed salmon, we're going to have baby potatoes, we're going to have glazed carrots, and we're also going to have corn on the cob. And my Jeeves here is going to be serving us and helping me cook. You did chill the wine, right?
Yes. Memo to self, chill the wine.
Well, let's just get started anyways. We picked up the salmon fresh this morning. As you can see, my Jeeves here, he's all ready to help me. So first what we're going to do is we're going to use the onions from the onion prep, and we're going to stuff those in there. They might fall out, but that's okay. Then, just white mushrooms. Throw as much as in there as you can fit. Fresh lemon juice. Just squeeze it over. Messy, but you get the point. Next, we're going to put on some oil. Just vegetable oil is fine. Not too much because you don't want it to get greasy. As you know, salmon is a naturally greasy fish as it is. And then my favorite ingredient, a little bit of crushed garlic, just sprinkle it over. You don't want too much because you don't want to overpower the food, the taste of the salmon, but a little bit goes a long way sometimes. And then, this is so easy, guys! Look at me go today! And then some fresh dill, chopped up and ready to go. Sprinkle that on there. You use as much or as little as you want. There we go. So now, we're gonna wrap it like a birthday present. We're gonna wrap it really, really tight. So that way everything stays inside. Well, for the most part. And voila! Stuffed salmon is ready to go in the oven. I've already preheated the oven to 350. And now we're going to pop the salmon in. And put it to the side there is fine. And we're going to leave it in there and check it in about an hour. So let's get started with all of our other things today. Jeeves, you ready to help?
Mm-hmm.
He sure is. While my Jeeves here is chopping my carrots, gotta keep him busy, right? I'm gonna get the potatoes in the oven. So it's about 2 pounds of baby potatoes, washed and cut in half. I'm gonna use probably about, that works out to about a half cup. Let's, you know what, it's 3/4 cups of oil. Seasonings for these, oregano, and Parmesan cheese. Give them a mix. Try to get them as coated as best as possible. And the salmon has been in the oven for about 15 minutes already. So we're going to pop the potatoes in, and they're going to be done in about 45 minutes. And we're just going to pop them in right next to the salmon. Next, we're going to get the carrots on to boil, and we're going to wrap the corn and show you how I do corn on the cob. It's going to be so yummy. What do you think, Jeeves?
Sounds good. I'm ready for it.
Maybe I'll get him to do all the hard work with corn, get him to shuck them and wrap them.
I would love to do that.
And I'll probably go have wine with the ladies.
That'd be so
Yeah.
Let's go that out.
Jeeves, I think Beth would like some wine.
Oh,
Yeah, 50 Shades. Can you imagine?
Hey,
Oh my
it's so
God.
reviews are good. I don't know. Have you heard it?
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
You didn't want that with
Yes,
us?
it's cute.
Oh, must be.
Hold on 1 second, ladies. Corn needs peeling.
Yes.
Thank you, Jeeves. He's the best Jeeves
Oh
ever,
my
isn't he?
I wish I had a Jeep. Just like you.
We'll see what we can find.
Can we rent it? Are you rentable? Even Jeeves.
Skies of blue.
Oh, nice.
What a wonderful world.
Yeah. Anything for the ladies.
Hey Jeeves, I'm having such a great time with the ladies. Ooh, the wine is fantastic. He pours wine amazing. Oh, you're almost done shucking? Hey, do you want some help wrapping those and getting them in the oven?
I would love that.
What we're gonna do for these is this. We're gonna tear off some tin foil. He's got them shucked really, really good. Gonna put one in the tin foil. Spray butter flavored cooking spray on it. And then just a little bit of seasoning all around, just so everything's coated. Wrap it up and twist the ends. Think you can handle that, Jeeves?
I think I can do that.
Yeah? Awesome. Oh, and twist. You don't need
I'm getting the hang of it.
You don't need to coat every little piece of cord. Alright, roll and twist. There we go. So now we're just going to get these in the oven. The potatoes are sizzling nicely. The salmon smells phenomenal. So with the corn, we're going to just put these on the top shelf. And the timer is at, there's about 25 minutes left, so that should give the corn enough time to cook. The carrots are boiling. They should be done probably in about 15-20 minutes as well. So everything is coming along nicely. I am going back to join my girls and have some wine. And can you keep an eye on everything out here?
I think I can do that.
Yeah? Awesome. Okay. I'll be in there if you need me. Don't need me. We're gonna do the glazed carrots. They're all cooked nicely, so we're gonna drain them.
Do you need any help?
I'm okay for now, thank you. Hey, go check on the ladies, see if they need more wine. They seem to like having you around.
Okay.
Bound chicken wow wow. He's adorable. Okay, so for the glazed carrots, the carrots are all cooked, drained. About a quarter cup of butter. Put that in, kind of let it melt. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but today I have not used salt in anything. It just goes to show you can make low sodium meals, no salt meals, and they will still taste fantastic. So, that being said, quarter cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of pineapple juice, unsweetened. We're gonna mix that a little bit and kind of let the carrots sit in there for a minute or two. And then, a little bit of brown sugar, a heaping tablespoonful. Mix that in. And then I always taste one just to make sure. Oh yeah, that is really good. And it just goes to show you don't need salt to enjoy a very flavorful meal. Next, we're gonna drain them because we don't want all this excess juice on there. It just makes it like way too soggy. Put them back in the bowl. And they're ready for dinner. Now it's time to take the corn, the salmon, and the potatoes out of the oven and enjoy our meal. Salmon smells fantastic. And the corn. I'll get Jeeves to peel these. He's got the gloves. These might be a little hot. Let's have a check on the salmon. Just use your fork to rip it, not to burn your fingers. Look at that. It's cooked perfectly all the way through. So what we're gonna do with the salmon is we're gonna cut it. Voila. So when I was picking up ingredients for today's dinner, I completely forgot to get tartar sauce for the salmon. And everyone knows tartar sauce goes fantastic with fish. So what do? I improvise. Relish, a few squirts, and a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise. Whatever brand you prefer. Give it a good mix. Mixing it good. Tartar sauce. Hey Jeeves! Jeeves!
Yeah.
Are you drinking?
No? Should I be?
Well, you can.
Oh,
It's up to
okay.
you. But hey, no,
Oh.
listen.
Oh.
Dinner's ready.
Oh,
It's about time to serve the ladies.
they shall be served.
I love my Jeeves. Ready?
Yeah, I wonder you haven't sat here and heard my stomach rolling.
I know, right? Those white gloves, that's all he's going to be wearing later.
Be more than 50 shades, that's what
Ladies,
Yes.
dinner's about to be served.
Oh my god, yeah. So cool.
I know.
Wow.
Nice.
Thank you.
Oh,
Just so you know, ladies, he does everything with this. Here, you've earned this.
I'm so jealous. That young love.
Pour.
Give it past her. What the bone comes out? Oh man. Okay.
Yeah. So it has that little bit of tartness.
So what else did you put on the salmon? Anything? You just get used to
Fish is really easy to make.
may I grab your plates?
Oh, yes,
thank
of
you.
course.
Oh my goodness. I love this.
Really awesome.
Very good.
I know,
Right? I know, yeah. Do we have to tip them?
Yeah, we
Like
have to
that?
tip or what?
Yeah.
Jello shots. Yeah,
I hear it's a special day today.
Yeah, it's Valentine's Day.
Yeah, but isn't it another special day today?
Maybe. Dunno. Maybe.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tam. Happy birthday to you.
Got
Yes. You know what?
Well done.
I was about to make a wish, but then I thought, all my wishes have come true. So I didn't need to make one. Oh my, you ladies know me so well.
Well, I
Aw, that's so cute. Always gotta read the card. Yes. Take your birthday with a grain of salt. And it's this is awesome.
So you, right? So you. Perfecto.
Best one accompanied by a large margarita or several bottles of wine and some cake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
Okay, because it was Valentine's Day, I wasn't expecting birthday stuff. We're doing a Valentine special after all. So I got little Valentines for everyone.
Oh my God, Tammy, that is so nice.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my show. And Satomi, this one's for you.
Thank you.
And this one
So sweet.
is for Jeeves. That's my heart right there.
Love it. I love it. Tam Tam.
Normally this is the part of the show where I do the leftovers, but there wasn't any today, which is fantastic. It means just another successful day in Tams Kitchen. But if you do have leftovers, don't forget glass snapware. erasable marker, write on what it is, pop it in the fridge, eat it another time during the week. Don't use plastic, it can freeze or burn. Right, baby?
Right.
This is the best Jeeves ever. Like, and he's mine. I love it. Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and share. And until next time on Tams Kitchen, have a happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Aw, thank you. Happy Valentine's Day, dear.